Welcome to Breakout EDU, In Search of Bigfoot, a breakout game about measurement and data. The story. Researchers have been on the trail of a large, mysterious creature for years. Footprints, sounds, and sightings have all been recorded and analyzed by the Bigfoot Research Organization at their lab. Last night, the security cameras at the research lab caught a glimpse of something large and hairy on the recorded footage. Was it a wolf, a bear, or something referred to as Sasquatch or Bigfoot? The researchers need your help to collect more evidence and finally find Bigfoot once and for all before he disappears into the forest forever. The lock setup. The 3-digit lock, 356. 4-digit lock, 8453. The color multi-lock, green, red, purple, yellow, blue. The ABC multi-lock, the word found, and for the key lock, look near the traps, which are the 3D shape nets or models. Resources you'll need for this game. All of the parts of the Breakout EDU kit shown here, including the color multi-lock and the red lens viewer. With your invisible ink pen, you're going to take the ABC word lock, the nets, and on those nets, you'll write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so students will know the order of the letters. Printouts are all shown here that you'll need to print out and use for the game. The game overview. In the large Breakout EDU box, you'll place the poster that says "We Found Bigfoot," place the hasp, the word lock, the color lock, the 4-digit lock, and the key lock on the large breakout box. Inside of the small breakout box, you'll put the red lens viewer, the UV flashlight, and these notebook directions that will be for the 4-digit lock puzzle. You'll also place in there these cutout footprints, place the 3-digit lock on the small box, and you're ready to go. In order to solve the 3-digit lock puzzle, students will have cut out these large footprints here next to the box or in an envelope that's called evidence. They'll measure these footprints using these magnifying glasses. When they place the numbers in order for how much they measured for each, they'll notice that Bigfoot has 3, Sasquatch is 5, and Yeti is 6 magnifying glasses long in order to get the code to open the small breakout box. For the 4-digit lock, you'll place the map on a table in the room, or you can place it in an envelope marked evidence again. The notebook pages and the small footprints will be found in the small Breakout EDU box. When the students place the notebook pages in order by time, 8 o'clock, 9:30 a.m., 11 o'clock a.m., and 12 o'clock p.m., when they read those notes under each of those times, they'll find out what direction they need to travel and lie the footprints on the trail here. When they put them in the right order, there should be 8 footprints, there should be 4, 5, and 3 to unlock the 4-digit lock. For the color multi-lock, place 2 of these notebook pages, the graph, and the cut apart pieces here of the different states inside of an envelope marked evidence or on a table. Students will sort out these cut apart shapes, which are the sightings of Bigfoot, and when they graph them onto the graph for Ohio, Oregon, California, Washington, and Michigan, they'll get these numbers for each. The order of them will go based on the clues from the notebook pages here. For this clue, you may also decide to use the directional lock. There is an extra printable with the printables that has arrows on it to put it in for that part. For the ABC multi-lock, cut out all of these 3D shape nets along the outside part. Place them on a table. Put the note that says, "Help! We need to construct a trap that is large enough to hold Bigfoot. P.S. Use only your hands." Students will take these nets and fold them up, working together as a team in order to create shapes. When they have their shapes all put together, they can use the UV flashlight to shine on the shapes to see the order of the letters that are formed from each one of the shapes. F will be formed for this one, O, U, N, and D when they put together correctly. If you'd like to try an augmented reality experience, you can use the Quiver Education app for viewing 3 of those shapes in AR and do the same thing with writing the invisible ink on each. For the key lock, you'll cut out the security cam monitor and the TV headline. Tape this TV headline and security cam monitor on opposite walls in the room so they're in different places. Hide the key somewhere near the traps, or what we call the 3D shape nets, and possibly hide it under the table or under a chair that's at that table. When students find the security cam and use this red lens viewer on it, they'll notice that it says, "Look near the traps," in order to find the key. Once students have unlocked all of the puzzles and locks for the Breakout EDU box, they will have broke out and finally discovered Bigfoot. Thanks for playing Breakout EDU.